fact that he got it on goal doesn't necessarily dictate it's a shot or not. Here comes Avery in on Smith. Fakes. Shoots. Scores. He outweighted Mike Smith, and the Rangers get on the board at 140.
Avery, he picks up just his 7th goal of the year. Watch how he comes all the way over, comes around and around and around and waits and waits and waits and gets it up top on a really nice shot.